So yesterday, there was the virtual meeting between Biden and Xi, and it was kind of interesting. A lot of it related to tariffs. So I believe I'm getting the number right. It's about 360, I believe it's $370 billion worth of goods that the U.S. is currently putting a tax on when it comes to China, and vice versa. They're taxing us for things. So we have tariffs going on, and according to Yellen, I believe her exact one is that if both the U.S. and China decide to unwind the tariff position, it could be desirable as it relates to inflation. And obviously, when it comes to Yellen, she knows a thing or two about being desirable. So I'm going to trust her on that one. But this talk was more than just tariffs. It was also about China kind of saying, hey, like, are you going to play ball with us on like our efforts for energy? And then a lot of it was about Taiwan. And this was kind of, I suppose, what was happening really of the tension of the meeting, to the best of my understanding. Unfortunately, they did not invite me to join this particular meeting. Hopefully it was lost in the mail. I'll try to RSVP for the next meeting between the two world powers. But the murmurs on the street, it was much more of China saying, hey, do not cross the line with Taiwan. Biden saying, hey, don't tell us what to do about Taiwan. We're going to like speak our mind. We're going to have our own comments on Taiwan. China said, don't do that. US said, we will do that. Awkwardness ensued. So to my understanding, that took much more of the, I guess, took a lot more of the emotion of the meeting for these two. And like, granted, it's obviously important, but it seems like these other things, such as what's going on with energy and pollution and global warming and the tariffs between the two, it's kind of playing like second seat compared to what's going on with the tensions with Taiwan. It's important to bring this up because obviously these are two world powers, two global economic powers, and financially, for here, us talking about the stock market, obviously there's going to be quite a bit of overlap of what's going on with individual stocks, individual economies, ADRs, Chinese companies trading on the U.S. market, U.S. execs trying to get into China, which I guess Xi said he will like make it a little bit easier to expand business. There's a lot of things. This is not a 5D. This is like a 6D chess match of what's going on here. Definitely something to pay attention to.